G'day guys, Mitch here from Mackielec Industries. Today we're going to do a video on how to install our cup holder inserts for the FG and FGX Falcons. They're a super simple design. All you have to do is take out the stock insert and then you put our one in. Super simple, so we'll get straight into it. Alrighty, so the best part about these is you don't need any tools to install them. So the first thing you want to do is remove the factory insert. So they're just held in by little tabs. So just get your finger there, pop them out, pinch them together, and that insert comes out like that. Now, the second thing you want to do is install this. So you'll notice it doesn't go in. So what we need to do is just slightly kink it, put a kink in it like that. What that does is shrinks the distance here. Once that's done, then you slide one side in to the end like that, slide the other side in, and then once it's in like that, all you need to do, push down on the center until that kink's been taken out. Push down the sides, and there you go. Alrighty, so it's as easy as that, guys. I can guarantee you'll never spill a drink again. Macca's cups, even some of the big protein shakers fit in there, so you shouldn't have any dramies. Remember to check us out on our socials, Mackielec Industries, Facebook, Instagram. Check out our website, www.mackielecindustries.com.au. If you need to get onto us, just shoot us a message and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.